Electric Pagoda, did you?
You just hush
right
over
over
there.
here. What you
You
need?
just hush.
I'm a fine Irishman.
I'm gonna
I'll
make.
help you out.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. So I figured we normally just finish up filming our videos and go home.
Yeah, because we just finished our Disneyland day.
Yep, pretty much.
Wednesday.
Yes.
So now, normally we'd wrap it right here.
This would be the end of it.
Literally in this spot, we wrap a lot. We use this spot.
It's kind of our favorite spot here at Disneyland. But I thought maybe we would show you what happens like when we go home,
Right,
like
the
a
other
typical,
side.
like a typical like a home video type thing.
Yeah.
And there's a recipe that I wanted to make for dinner tonight that I shared on my Instagram before. So I figured I'm gonna run to the store.
Okay.
You're gonna go straight home.
Yeah.
And I'll meet you there, and then I'm gonna make us dinner and kind of show you we're gonna hang out at home for a minute. We're gonna eat dinner together.
It's the side you don't normally see. It's kind of the behind the scenes of Best Life and Beyond, because I'm going to start editing the video that we shot today. Katie starts making dinner.
As you know,
it's a whole thing
it's
that
like,
happens.
as you know, we both have full-time jobs.
Yeah.
So our schedule, it's just we got to do what we do when we can.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to go get Binky too. I just remembered I have to do that as well.
She likes to get in on the party. So.
She needs a little beach time.
Yeah.
So anyway, so join us and we're going to go have a good time after. I think it'll be fun.
It will be. So now we head to Mickey and Friends parking structure.
Let's go. What I just realized is it's pretty cold. Like,
I know. Well,
we didn't think we were going to be here this late.
Yeah, so we came just t-shirts because I looked at the weather and I thought, well, if we're not here past 3, we'll be fine. But it's like almost 5 right now.
But this is what happens in California. It's really, really warm.
Yeah.
And then it's cold by 4 or 5.
Yeah, so that difference is what makes it, noticeable. You're like, ooh, And now granted, obviously, you live in the Midwest, you live in the East Coast, you're laughing at us.
Yeah, you're literally laughing at us.
But when you get used to a temperate climate, when it gets the slightest bit cold, you get chilly.
Right. I mean, honestly, I got the goosebumps. I got the goosebumps on my arms. I'm cold. So we normally always walk. Literally, we always walk because it's great. But when there's absolutely no line for the tram,
I've reserved an entire car for us.
Look, you did that? Honey, that's so sweet of you.
I tried.
I mean, you really, clearly you do. You know what's tripping me out?
Sorry, you can't.
You know what's tripping me out though is like, I'm standing right here, and to know that this used to be like Eeyore and like Winnie the Pooh parking lot over here.
That's Indiana Jones right there.
Yeah. Hello! People was in the way. They was in the way, my friend. I'm so excited to get on this tram. The feet still hurt from a day in the parks. These shoes are the best shoes I can ever recommend, by the way. They're Cloud Tech. Got them at Nordstrom, and oh my gosh, they are a lifesaver. They're the only shoes that make my feet not hurt.
Car has arrived.
Well, thank you. Why, thank you, kind sir.
Hello, everyone. This is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram. Any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Okay, heading out of the parking structure. I'm gonna stop at the store and get some of the supplies I need for dinner tonight, and then grab Binky and head out to Malibu. Just arrived at Trader Joe's. This is the Yorba Linda location. Here's the thing I'm on the hunt for. I heard that there's new strawberry water. The sparkling watermelon water that I used to have. I think it was last summer. Well, I'm hoping that they have it in stock. That would be just amazing if they did. Fingers crossed, everyone. Fingers crossed. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have it. I'm so happy right now. I'm going to be grabbing about 5 of these. These are great if you're on Weight Watchers, and oh my gosh, they taste so good because they're not overly sweet. I haven't had the strawberry, obviously, because this is brand new, but when they had the watermelon, I was just obsessed. So I'm going to start stockpiling these into my cart. I also got these really pretty flowers. They just spoke to me. This whole bouquet is only $9.99, so really good deal, and it kind of goes with my strawberry waters, all the pinks and reds. Okay, so I'm grabbing some produce. Gonna get a couple of bell peppers. You can honestly put in this, what I'm gonna make, it's that risotto dish. So you can put in it whatever you want. I always get an onion and a couple of bell peppers. I'll do this nice, beautiful red bell pepper. And then I'll probably do yellow too. Check out these new products. We got a sparkling green tea with grapefruit and mint flavor. And then this one is actually caffeinated and it's another sparkling one. It's a yerba mate and it has hibiscus and citrus. So I grabbed 2 of these. I'm gonna try them and see how they are. But I love everything sparkling, so I'm really about this. Okay, so I'm going to grab some beef broth for the risotto. This is just the best. And instead of using water, this just makes it taste so much better. A few people I know have tried chicken broth and didn't really care for it, but the beef broth was the ticket last time I did that. They're selling shamrocks. I might have to get these too. How cool is that? You get a big old pot too. Although I don't really know how to care for these. Like, do they need a lot of sun, a little bit? I don't know, but this really gets me excited for March. How fun. Acquired Binky. Are you ready to go to the booski? Oh. When the light goes off in the car, she's like, what the heck is going on? Binky, are you ready to go to the booski? You're gonna be my driving buddy tonight. Yay! You get to rest. I'll deal with the traffic. All right, I finally made it home. Binky's over there eating a chicken nugget. She's not eating it right now because she doesn't like to eat on camera. I've already changed into my comfy pants and unpacked the groceries. I'm going to put these little babies in water. Spencer absolutely loved the shamrocks.
I love the shamrocks that catch me.
You know who'd be happy?
You know who'd be happy about this? My friend Patrick Pagora. He would be so happy to see this.
I gotta close this.
Shamrocks for all the people to enjoy. Yes.
I think they need a little water.
They need a little water. They'll be a lot luckier.
Okay, so as I said, I'm gonna make dinner.
You're gonna make dinner. How happy am I?
Oh my
Patrick Pagora is hungry as well. You might just have to make him a tiny little plate.
All right, Spencer's gonna edit, aka Patrick Pagora over there. And like I said, I'm gonna make dinner.
Oh, you called Patrick Pagora, did you?
You just hush
right
over
over
there.
here. What you
You
need?
just hush.
I'm a fine Irish
I'm
man.
gonna
I'll
make-
help you out.
So I'm gonna make this risotto. I made it on Instagram, and you all like really enjoyed it. So just gonna mix. We just kind of are winging it, and it's really good. I like it. I mean, obviously, like pasta would be like way better, or maybe even real rice. But the reason I like this risotto stuff is it's pretty low calorie, and it's made with chickpea and red lentils. So really good. So I'm going to show you how to make that real quick, and then while he's editing, and then we'll have dinner together, and that will be a wrap. We're going to use 1 cup of risotto, and then 1.5 cups of not water. We're going to use beef broth. So I'm going to wait for that to come to a boil. I'm going to start heating this up, pretty high heat, and we're going to start chopping up these veggies. You could also add some chicken or some ground turkey into this, but we really have been reducing the amount of meat consumption that we're having. However, tomorrow we're going to have a pasta with the Bonza pasta and our favorite Rayo sauce with half of these veggies because I obviously can't use the entire thing. So yeah, that's just kind of how I work throughout the week. And then if we have extra sauce, I'll make a pizza out of those like frozen pizza crusts, which are hidden in there somewhere, the black hole of the freezer. All right, so I got the onion and carrot, probably did about 3 carrots and half of a red onion, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. While that's cooking over there, I chopped up about half of each of these bell peppers because like I said, we're gonna have to have some for dinner tomorrow. I'm gonna probably do half of the broccoli. We still got carrots for pasta tomorrow. And I'll probably do probably about like 2 of these zucchinis, or maybe 1. It just depends once I start cutting it up. I split the mushrooms, so I'm going to clean these off with a damp paper towel. That's the best way to do it. And I'll probably just use 5 of them, and then these will go for the pasta tomorrow. And remember, with each layer of veggies that you add, to always season with salt and pepper at the very least. I might actually put some granulated garlic in here too, just because it tastes really good. But remember, just kind of like layer your seasonings, and that's how you like develop some flavor. You don't ever want to just like pour all your veggies in or dump them in and then season after. The other thing to keep in mind is I'm doing like the things that take longer to cook first. You don't really have to go too crazy. We actually like a little crunch. I don't want these to get mushy, but obviously the carrots and bell peppers and onion and broccoli, these are a little, you know, tougher, so they'll be able to stand up to cooking longer while I'm cutting up the zucchini and the mushrooms, because these will cook within like, I don't know, they're really quick. And same with the zucchini. These actually cook faster than even the mushrooms. All right, all the vegetables have been in there and cooking. Meanwhile, the risotto is, well, it's been simmering, so it's done. I just took the lid off. You might see a mushroom or two in there because I just used the same spoon. But we can actually put it in whenever we're ready, mix it together, and then we can serve it. I might serve it this way, but I'm thinking about putting it over some of these power greens, and then of course I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon in there. Sorry, I was like cleaning up with a paper towel. These, you know, the salt and pepper, just everything gets everywhere. To do like such a major clean down just after making one dish, it's insane. So I got some of the pink lemons, and I'm gonna cut it open and see what that looks like. But either way, we need lemon juice because I put lemon on everything. It just brightens up and freshens up the dish. So good. So I'm gonna combine these and do that so you can see what the finished product looks like. Pink lemon wasn't very pink. Apparently that happens. I already squeezed the other half on there. Maybe I'll just do a little more. Why not, right? And again, you kind of have to like season it to your preference. I don't even think I'm gonna serve this over the greens. I think we're just gonna eat it as is. I added the zucchini really, really late in the cooking process because it honestly just cooks that fast, and I like a little bit more crunch almost, I guess you could say. So yeah, we're just gonna eat this as is and enjoy dinner. Look at this guy still editing. Hi. Are you hungry?
Yes, it smells really good.
Does it? Thank goodness. Here, I'll just serve you like...
I will eat from my hands.
All right, it's now time to eat. Take a break there.
Stepping away.
Stepping away.
Oh.
Hi, Binky. We're gonna eat now. We're starving. This one's mine because I put extra.
Almost reached for that one.
I put extra zucchini in it.
Look at that.
As you can see, we both have our comfy pajama pants on.
That's right.
You're finally not wearing Christmas pants.
Right, but I opted for a red shirt at least.
Yeah, it's like for some reason he's always like having Christmas. Okay, cheers to dinner.
Oh, that one actually made a real sound.
It actually made a real
ding. Add
ding.
that in this time.
All right, let's take a bite and see how it tastes. I squeezed extra lemon
I'm gonna tell you
on
right
top.
now, the fork is what's gonna kind of keep me from being mellow. Because if I had a spoon, I would shovel this right now because it's so good. I can tell
You haven't had it
I
yet.
know it's good.
You're just like assuming it's gonna be delicious.
Oh,
It's good, and it's very healthy.
it's just like I thought.
See, this is like, I mean,
Really good.
I think the extra lemon squeeze on top is always key.
Oh yeah, double. This is so good.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna finish our dinner. Spence is gonna finish editing the video for tomorrow.
Oh, thank you.
Mwah. All right, Spence is gonna finish editing,
Yeah.
and
Get back to this while you finish.
yeah, okay. All right, so if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up so we know that you dig it. And if you want to support our channel, you can become a Patreon member. I'll put all that information in the description box below. And can you please say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye, everybody.
What are you doing? You're eating more out of the pan, aren't you?
Eating some more. Round 2. Necessary. Suck in.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.